teachers, and my dear students. A very warm good morning to one and all. We welcome you all to today's glorious event as our school gates are open to celebrate commitment, leadership, and responsibility. Good morning, everyone. We are honored to have in our midst our respected principal Alka ma'am, our chairman Rahul sir, along with our dedicated teachers, including Pratiksha teacher, Sonal teacher, Apurva teacher, Dhanashri teacher, Pratik sir, and Mr. Nagesh sir, whose guidance continues to shape the leadership of tomorrow. We gathered here at a location, our first annual investiture ceremony. And investiture ceremony is not just about tiles or sashes. It is about entrusting responsibility, inspiring actions, newly elected students, leaders to guide their peers with integrity, humility, and passion. And now, the moment we all have been waiting for, I invite our students, captains, to step forward as their names are called to receive their sashes and badges on stage. It is an absolute honor to invite our newly appointed sports captain, Shiv Wag from 5th standard, to come forward and take their badges. Give a big round of applause for Shiv. To invite our newly appointed discipline captain Rajvi Wable from 2nd standard to step onto the stage and receive their badge of honor. appointed Red House Captain Vihan Rokre from 3rd Standard to step onto the stage and receive their badge of honor. It's an absolute honor to invite our newly appointed Blue House Captain Ishwari Patkar from 5th Standard to step onto the stage and receive the badge of honor. Big round of applause for Ishwari Patkar from 5th Standard. Now we will be announcing our class monitors. Our newly appointed class monitor from 1st Standard, Arush Shankar, to step onto the stage and receive their badge of honor. Invite our newly appointed class monitor for 2nd Standard, Arohi Badguzar, to step onto the stage and receive their badge of honor. Arohi Badguzar from 2nd Standard. To invite our newly appointed class monitor for 3rd Standard, Darshan Makwane, to step onto the stage and receive their badge of honor. Darshan Makwane from 3rd Standard. Sab Chopre, to step onto the stage and receive their badge of honor. Sarthak Chopre from 5th Standard. With your responsibilities. Give a big round of applause. To stand straight, raise your right hand and repeat the oath after me. I solemnly pledge
I solemnly pledge
that I will faithfully
that I will faithfully
execute my duties
execute my duties
as a student,
as a student,
leader of
leader of
Small Wonder
Small Wonder
International School.
International School.
I promise to uphold
I promise to uphold
the honor,
the honor,
dignity,
dignity,
and discipline of our institution
and discipline of our institution,
and to lead by examples
and to lead by examples
with honesty,
with honesty,
courage, and dedication
courage, and dedication
at all times.
at all times.
Thank you.
Thank you.